All of us have heard about ChatGPT, Gemini, or other AI models. Most of us probably even use them, but almost all of them have some limitations, like the number of questions you can ask or the number of images you can create. What many people don't know is that you can use all these AI models for free. You may be thinking, how? Let me show you how. Open up the Chrome browser, search lmarena.ai, and this is the website we are looking for. Let me clear first that this video is not sponsored by anyone. I just want to share with you a simple trick. This is a platform where big companies give users access to their AI models, and the users can evaluate how they work. And the companies get feedback from here. For example, you can compare two AI models here and choose which one gives the best answers. Let's tap on the battle from the top, then tap side by side. Now choose which AI you want to compare. Like I want to compare ChatGPT's latest version with Grok's latest version. Now ask anything here in the text box, and now compare who is best. And then, if you think the left is better, select this one. And if you think that the right one is better, then tap right. And after this, if you want to see the ultimate result, then tap on the leaderboard from the top left corner. Here you can see which AI is best for a particular task. Like Gemini is best for texts, ChatGPT is best for text to image. Now, if you want to use some AI models without limits, then tap in the top left corner. Next, tap on the open sidebar, and then tap New Chat. Then tap on the battle again. This time, select Direct Chat. Here you can select the AI model that you want from the down arrow. For example, Gemini. And select what you want, chat or images. Then just type what you need and use it. I mean your prompt. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.